What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, we're finally installing my long tube headers, and this portion of the video is being installed way later, so this is gonna be the same me in the outro, but I'm gonna go ahead and start off the video here. Yes, today we are finally installing my headers. They are long tube headers. I am staying catless, and pretty much that's basically it. Let's go ahead, cue the intro, and let's just go ahead and dive into the install. Here we go. Alright guys, so the car is in the air. We got my my mid pipes out already. As you guys already know, I'm already catless. I'm having trouble getting this sensor out, but we'll get that out in a second. But here we go. Mid pipes are out on both sides, and next stop is getting those. I know the lighting isn't the best here, and sorry about the noise. I am at work and we're still working, so here's the shorty header that I currently have on both sides, obviously. So next up is to get those out, and we will be installing these bad boys right here, long tube headers from American Racing. They're the only ones that make the all-wheel drive headers. Obviously I'm staying catless, so long tube headers, catless. I got some O2 extensions. I believe I'm gonna need those, so it comes with the whole kit. Obviously we got the gaskets in here, we got new bolts. It's the full kit. So this is from American Racing headers. You guys always say I don't tell you guys where I get my shit from. These are American Racing headers. They're the only ones that make all-wheel drive long tube headers. And I had my co-worker weld another bung on here for my wideband gauge. So obviously for my O2 sensor, and then for my wideband gauge, that's why I welded another one. But yeah, car's in the air. I already have my Corsa Extreme, and then we're gonna pair it with the headers and we'll see how it sounds. But it is getting pretty late and we're about to head home, so the car is gonna stay here in the shop in the air. So I'll probably pick you guys up tomorrow when we get the shorty headers out, and hopefully I'll record the rest getting the long tubes on, and we'll see how it sounds. So here we go. Alright guys, so a quick update. I can't really film a lot, but we got the passenger side shorty header out, and the passenger side is a lot harder than the driver side, so we started with this side, and here's this side, but there's a gasket. Basically we're gonna reverse it, put all the bolts in. Like I said, I can't really record too much. I'm very busy here at work, so yeah, just a little update. Passenger side's out, time to put the new one in and then move on to the driver side. One header's in. We're getting there, boys. Alright guys, so we finally got both long tube headers installed, and we're just finishing up tightening the bolts, and then after that we'll go ahead and connect the mid pipes over there. Like I said, I am staying catless, so we got the sensors for those hooked up. I got my wideband hooked up over there, so let's finish tightening these bolts up, put the mid pipes on, and then we'll get a first cold start with the long tube headers and see how it sounds. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, the car's finally lowered. The headers are installed. All O2 sensors and extensions have been installed. Let's go ahead and get a first cold start from it. Everything's connected and she's ready to go. Here we go. Now that you guys have seen all of that footage, here's the car once again, and we did install the long tube headers. Now before anybody asks, for the third or fourth time in this video, I do have long tube headers that are catless, and I got them from American Racing Headers. They are the only ones that supply all-wheel drive Charger headers for the RTs. So Longtube headers, American Racing headers, catless. Now one thing that I did need were O2 extensions. I needed them for the downstream and the upstream. For the upstreams, I got them, they're all BBK extensions. I got them from bbk.com, performance.com, whatever their website is. The upstreams were 12-inch extensions and the downstreams were 24-inch extensions. So we got that all hooked up, and I do have a wideband gauge that I had to basically weld another bung for it. So I connected all of that. Everything's ready to go. You guys did hear a cold start, and you guys, I'm gonna throw in another cold start after I broke in the headers for a day or so. So go ahead, hear that. All right, cold start with the headers. Alright, now that you guys have heard both cold starts, some of you are probably going to say, if you know my car and you know how it sounds the same. Now, that may be a little true. The idle does sound a little bit same on camera. In person, it's quite a bit louder, just a tad bit, nothing too crazy. But I already had headers, like you guys saw. I had shorty headers, so it's not going to change much at idle. But I'll tell you what, at high RPMs, when I'm doing pulls and whatnot, it definitely got much louder and it sounds super insane. Like, I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the GoPro towards the exhaust here. I'll let you guys hear a little watt pull, and I'll let you guys be the judge of it. So let's go ahead, mount the GoPro, and then I'll catch you guys in the outro. Alright guys, so that's how it sounds. I didn't go too crazy because I'm still working on the tune. But yeah, the setup is, like I said, Longtube headers, catless. I do have Corsa Extreme, and I do have the rear mufflers cut off. I'm debating putting those back on, but I think it sounds good the way it is. But this is the setup, that's how it sounds, and pretty much that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more coming soon, which is the tune. The tune, I'm gonna be recording me doing the pulls on the street and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys do want to get early access for the new videos and real-time sneak peeks of what I'm doing and what the next video is going to be, make sure you guys become a channel member. The first link in the description. It would help a lot if you guys support the channel. It's only $2.99 a month, which I'm sure most of you guys can afford. So link in description, first link. You get early access to new videos before anybody else can watch them. Could be a week early, could be a couple days early, and real-time sneak peeks of what I'm doing. So make sure you guys consider that. But like I said, this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one. It's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace out.